We're going to the bike meet once again. Oh, she asked you for a rev, you missed it. Yeah, a woman in the car, she was there and she was looking back and nobody revved it. Yeah, I have it on. Now, no speeding. What you talking about? Big Mickeys. They sell some big ass dildos in here. Oh, that's a lot of bikes in here, man. That is so many fucking bikes. Where do we park, man? Well, back up there somewhere. Not here, anyways. Go at the back there, beside the Harleys or whatever, or here. Some sick ass Ducati here. Good few bikes. Mackies and some coffee, you know. Some expensive Harleys. What's up? The paint on that thing there, Jesus. Behind the scenes. Yeah, some nice bikes out here. And there's two phasers, the most famous phasers in the world.
Exactly. Davis Moto.
There's a blue one and there's a black one. Somebody said, no, who's that? Couple of bugs on them. Oh shit, that's Davis Moto. Where's Davis Moto? I need to find him.
Right here.
Oh shit, there he is.
You want a signature?
Signature.
Oh yeah.
Little tricycle. No bikers coming. MT-07. Beautiful white color on that. More bikers coming. Damn, that's loud. Yeah, so this is the meet. Last cup of coffee and I'm dipping home. Witch Viper Media signing out.